Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Channel. Today, we're going to a supermarket in New York. You'll hear simple, natural English that people use every day. Here's today's question. What mistake does Alex make while paying for his groceries? Listen carefully and see if you can find the answer. Let's begin. Did you bring your reusable shopping bag today?
Oh, no. I forgot it again.
I had a feeling you would.
I always remembered after we leave home.
That's okay. We can buy a paper bag if we need one.
Thanks. I still forget little things sometimes.
It happens.
By the way, I'm actually excited today.
Really?
Yeah. This is my first time shopping at a supermarket in New York by myself.
That's exciting.
And a little scary.
Why?
Everything feels different here.
Different how?
The supermarkets are much bigger than the ones I'm used to. There are so many products, so many brands. I don't even know where to start.
That's completely normal. The first visit always feels a little overwhelming.
I just hope I can find everything on my list.
What's on it?
Bread, milk, eggs, rice, chicken, apples, and coffee.
Coffee again?
Yes, I can't imagine my morning without coffee.
I believe you.
I've also been spending too much money eating at restaurants.
Really?
Yeah, almost every evening. It's convenient, but it's expensive.
Cooking at home will save you a lot of money.
That's exactly why I want to learn supermarket English.
Good idea.
I know the words, sometimes, but when people speak quickly, my mind goes completely blank.
Then don't rush. Listen carefully. And if you don't understand,
I can ask them to repeat it.
exactly.
I always forget I can do that.
Today, you'll remember.
I hope so.
One more question.
Hmm?
Are you paying with cash or your bank card?
My bank card.
Good.
I finally have one.
That'll make shopping easier.
I still get nervous using it.
Why?
I'm always worried I'll press the wrong button.
If that happens, the cashier will help you.
I hope I don't make any mistakes.
Even if you do, it's not a big problem.
Thanks. That makes me feel better.
Look, we're here.
Wow, this supermarket is huge.
Welcome to grocery shopping in New York.
I suddenly feel nervous again.
Don't worry, we'll shop together.
Okay, let's go inside.
Let's get a shopping cart first.
Do we need one?
I think so. Your list is longer than you think.
You're probably right.
Okay. What's the first item?
Bread.
Great. Follow me.
Wow, there are so many kinds of bread.
Yeah. White bread, whole wheat, multigrain, sourdough.
Wait, slow down. I only wanted bread.
Now you have choices.
Too many choices.
Which one do you usually eat?
White bread.
Then let's start with that.
Good idea. Oh, this one looks fresh.
Check the date first.
Right, I almost forgot.
It's always a good habit.
This one expires next week.
Perfect.
Bread. Done.
Great. What's next?
Milk.
The dairy section is over there.
Dairy?
Yeah,
Oh, milk, cheese, butter.
exactly.
I'm learning new words already.
Just by shopping.
There are different kinds of milk too.
Yes.
Whole milk, 2%, skim milk. Which one should I buy?
Which one do you usually drink?
Honestly, I don't know.
Then whole milk is a safe choice.
Okay, whole milk. I'll remember that.
Great. Bread and milk. 2 things finished already. See? Shopping isn't so difficult.
Not yet, but I think something confusing is coming.
Let's stay positive.
Okay,
Eggs are next.
I see them. Wait, why are some cartons brown and some are white?
That's just the color of the eggshell.
Really?
Yup.
I thought brown eggs were already cooked.
No,
Oh, that was embarrassing.
don't worry. Lots of people ask questions when they shop somewhere new.
I'm glad I asked you first.
Me too.
These eggs look good.
Open the carton before you put it in the cart.
Why?
Check if any eggs are cracked.
Oh, I never thought about that.
It's a simple habit.
They all look fine.
Great.
Eggs. Done.
Nice.
We're making good progress.
What's next?
Apples.
Right this way.
Wow. There are green apples, red apples, yellow apples. Which ones are sweeter?
Usually the red ones.
Then I'll take those.
How many?
Maybe 6.
Sounds good.
Wait.
What happened?
Do I put them directly in the cart?
No, put them in one of these produce bags first.
Oh, I almost forgot again.
You're doing fine.
Thanks. Shopping in New York is a little different.
It is, but you're learning quickly.
I hope so.
Let's see. Bread, milk, eggs, apples. Your list is getting shorter.
That's true. I actually feel much more confident now.
Good, because the next part is usually the busiest.
The busiest?
Yes, we still have rice, chicken, coffee, and after that...
We have to pay.
Exactly.
Oh, I almost forgot about the checkout.
Let's hope everything goes smoothly.
I hope so too, but somehow I have a feeling something might go wrong.
We only have a few things left now.
Really?
Yup, rice, chicken, and coffee.
That's not too bad.
Rice is in the next aisle.
Great. There's so many bags.
They come in different sizes.
I only need enough for one person.
Then a small bag is probably the best choice.
This one?
Yes, that looks good.
Perfect. Rice. Done.
Nice.
Chicken is next, right?
Yes.
Ugh, this section is really cold.
It has to stay cold to keep the food fresh.
That makes sense. Which one should I buy?
What are you planning to cook?
Maybe grilled chicken.
Then chicken breasts are a good choice.
Chicken breasts?
Yes.
Wait, I almost picked chicken wings.
They look similar when you're in a hurry.
I really wasn't paying attention.
That's why it's always good to read the label.
Right. Read the label. I'll definitely remember that.
I think you will.
Okay.
Only coffee left.
Finally, I know exactly where that is.
Really?
Well, I hope I do. Oh, there it is.
You found it faster than I expected.
Wait,
What happened?
there are whole beans, ground coffee, instant coffee. I didn't know there were so many choices.
Which one do you usually drink?
Instant coffee.
Then buy instant coffee today.
Good idea. I'll try the others another time.
Sounds like a plan.
That's everything on my list.
Let's make sure. Bread,
Yes,
milk,
yes,
eggs,
yes,
apples,
yes,
rice,
yes,
chicken,
yes,
coffee.
yes.
Great.
I actually feel proud.
You should.
I thought shopping in New York would be much harder.
You did almost everything yourself.
Almost?
We still haven't reached the checkout.
Oh, I forgot about that.
That's the part where many people feel nervous the first time.
Really?
Sometimes the cashier speaks very quickly.
Now I'm nervous again.
Don't be. Just listen carefully. And if you don't understand something,
I can ask them to repeat.
exactly.
Okay,
And remember, you're paying with your bank card today.
right. I just hope I don't press the wrong button.
You'll be fine.
I hope so.
Come on, let's go to the checkout.
Okay, wait. I think this is the part I've been worrying about all day.
Then let's get through it together.
Hi. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Great. Please put your groceries on the counter.
Okay.
Bread, milk, eggs, apples, and the rest of your groceries. Everything looks good.
I think so too.
Would you like a paper bag or a reusable bag?
Sorry?
A paper bag or a reusable bag?
Oh, a paper bag, please.
No problem. Your total is $32.80.
$32 and... sorry. Could you repeat that, please?
Of course. $32.80.
Thank you. I understood it this time.
No problem.
I'd like to pay with my card.
Sure. Please insert your card into the card reader.
Insert my card. Okay.
Now follow the instructions on the screen.
Wait. It says debit or credit. Which one should I choose?
Is it a debit card?
Yes.
Then choose debit.
Oh, right. Debit. Okay.
Great. Now enter your PIN.
Okay. Oh no.
Is everything okay?
I think I entered the wrong PIN.
Don't worry, it happens.
This is embarrassing.
You still have another try.
Okay, let me think carefully this time.
Take your time.
Okay.
Card reader. Approved.
Oh, it worked.
Perfect. Your payment is complete.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
So, how do you feel?
Much better.
See?
I thought paying would be the hardest part.
But you did it.
I almost didn't.
Why?
I entered the wrong PIN.
That's a very common mistake.
Really?
Yes, lots of people get nervous at the card reader.
I feel a little less embarrassed now.
Good.
Shopping in New York wasn't as scary as I imagined.
Exactly.
Wait, where's my receipt?
Didn't the cashier give it to you?
I thought I put it in the bag.
Check your hand first.
Oh, it's still in my hand.
Classic Alex.
I guess I was still thinking about the PIN.
Maybe.
Well, at least I didn't leave it behind.
That's true.
Come on, let's go home and cook my first meal.
Sounds like a great plan.
Whew, that went much better than I expected.
I told you it would.
I was so nervous before we came here.
I remember.
But now I feel much more confident.
That's because you used English the whole time.
Yeah. I asked questions, I understood the cashier, and I paid with my card.
Exactly.
Even after I entered the wrong PIN.
You fixed it.
That's true.
You also learned some useful supermarket words today.
Bread,
Good.
milk,
Right.
eggs,
Yes.
produce bag,
Nice.
checkout,
Perfect.
receipt,
Great.
and debit card.
I think you'll remember that one for a long time.
Definitely.
So, what's the first thing you're going to cook?
Maybe grilled chicken with rice?
That sounds delicious.
I hope it tastes as good as it sounds.
I'm sure it will.
Thanks for coming with me today.
Anytime.
I don't think I could have done it alone.
Maybe not today. But next time, I think you can.
Really?
Of course.
I still might ask you a few questions.
That's okay. Learning English feels easier when someone is there to help. And every time you practice, you'll become more confident.
I think you're right.
Wait,
What happened?
your shopping bag looks open.
Oh no. My coffee.
Is it falling out?
Almost. Good thing you noticed.
Let's put it back properly.
There. Now everything is safe.
Perfect.
That would have been a sad ending.
Especially for your coffee.
Definitely for my coffee.
Ready to go home?
Yes. And next time, I want to try shopping by myself.
I know you can do it.
Thanks. Today wasn't just about buying groceries. It was about feeling confident in English.
Exactly.
Let's go home.
I hope this story helped you to learn useful English for shopping at a supermarket in New York. Do you remember today's question? What mistake did Alex make while paying for his groceries? Write your answer in the comments below and subscribe our channel for more English stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.